Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Dollar Tree to do our Dollar Tree coupon haul. This one is going to be kind of small, guys, because I'm in a store where they only let you use 4 coupons at a time. So let's go. Okay, we got their little flowers out. All the flowers are out. There they are. That one is cute. Well, it's got a little dial and I want to do a light up. Okay. It's a pinwheel. All of the eggs. Oh, some different ones. So these are blocks. I'm going to grab a block. I did see the dinosaurs. I saw those. Let's see. Did I get the teddy bears? I don't think so. Or cats. I think, are they different little animals? I'm going to grab those. Okay. Oh, look at these. I like those. Okay. And I grabbed those the last time we were here at the other one. So, I didn't try these though, the little monkeys. And then, I think that's Baby Shark. Okay. So you guys see this? You never have to go play. I don't buy this because my cats was throwing this up. Look at Cottontail Farms. That's cute. Okay. And look at the little basket. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to grab one of these. But I want this one right here. That is so darling. Oh my God, it's pretty. Oh, look at these. Sweet Dreams. That's cute too. They're gorgeous. That is so cute. Can't beat that. Okay, they back up the Lysol wipes and the spray. Okay, and these wipes. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, this is new from them. Oxy Ultra Deluxe Liquid Island Fresh. That's new. And it's by Awesome, of course, because Awesome is one of their stores, one of their brands. So that's new. And so we're going to start in their refrigerator, and I want to see if they carrying some of the stuff I grabbed last week, which was fantastic. There it is. There's one back there. Oh, I got 2 coupons and there's 2 back there. Perfect. And oh my God, guys, what they got in here? Veggie burgers. You can literally come here and grocery shop. Rice, veggies, there's cauliflower, turkey burgers. Oh my God. Okay, and then we have coupons for these. So we're gonna grab these right here. These are the Frigo, the head cheese, and I think I have 3. So I got 1, 2. I gotta put this one back because I don't have another coupon for it. Not another one. But you guys see, the P3s is here. They back. See, they was gone for a long time. Now they back. Hopefully we'll get some coupons for them. Okay, no bread this week, or maybe I'm too early or something, but it's no bread over here. Yeah, they don't have any. Last time I came, the lady was still up front with the bread. So what I'm gonna grab now is some cereal. I'm gonna grab a Reese's. And then I'm gonna grab the Cheerio. Okay, of course, Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna grab a pack of these. They do have the rolls. They got the Hawaiian bread, the twin rolls. See, oh, they got sub sandwiches if you're making subs. Okay. And this is also where I looked at, guys, and they had the big things of cereal, but I see they haven't been getting them too much. Next time we get Sunny D, here it is right here. They said it didn't work, but it did work. Juicy Juice worked all the time. Okay, it was over here that I found those cookies, but I don't see them since then. So maybe that was just, see, they got some Crunchy Munch hid back there. So I guess you gotta just search for them. There goes some Ritz back there. So like literally you have to search and dig for them. Look like they hiding them for, they might be hiding them for themselves. I mean, you know, they are working in the store. Okay guys, found them. These are how many ounces? 4.15 ounce. The coupon that has not expired is for 3.5 ounces or larger, 75 cents off too. So I finally found those, which is a great deal right there. Okay, I'm gonna grab 2 packs of Halls because I got one more coupon left for the $1 off, $1.25 off too. Okay guys, these do work good. I tried it, they were fantastic actually. And they got better masks in here. Much better ones. They're $1. Much better mask. Okay. The title of the Advil was the respiratory symptom one. Okay, this $2 on any respiratory product. See that? Multi-symptom. Here it is right here. So I'm gonna grab one of those. So that'll be free. It's not gonna give you overage, but it will give it to you for free. Now, what I'm looking for, and I'm gonna try and see if the caress, but I think it's on the other aisle. I'm on the, I gotta go to another aisle. They had Nivea, girl, guys, 2 weeks ago. I almost fainted, and I didn't have my coupon because you know they haven't been having it here. Okay, I'm gonna grab one box of these and see if they work. Okay, who is ready for the free body wash to come back? I'm about getting mad now. They got Zest and Coast. Okay. Some stuff up here. They got body wash, travel, toothbrushes. They got Crest, travel kits, April Ivory healing lotion, mouthwash. Oh, okay, so it don't have that stuff in it. It's different stuff in it. What's this? Aquacell antibacterial wet wipes, hand and face moisturizer. Okay, that's new. That's new. And it's antibacterial. 2 white packs, 30 wipes per pack. I'm gonna try these because it's a new find. I want to try this. Okay, now let's go to this end to see if they have any batteries. I got the last of my little battery coupons. I'm gonna go ahead on and see if they work. If it's some back here, let's pray it is. Let's pray it is. Let's pray it is. Okay, here is the battery coupon. Batteries right here. Those are Panasonics. I wish Panasonic could give us some coupons since they got so many in here. Okay, so let's go over our coupons right quick. I want to get somewhere people can't see me. We're going to use these. And I actually found another one, so I'm going to get 6 packs of those. I'm going to use my cheese. My one for the Cheerios. The Advil one. The one for the Halls. And the one for the Reese's. That's what I'm going to use. So, besides all my other junk in here, those right there are the products that I'm going to be getting with coupons and one Caress. I want to see if that Caress bar soap coupon works because the one for Dove worked. So let's see if the one for Caress work, guys. Okay, then you know, I'll let you know, hey, yay or nay. Let's hope it's a yay so we can get it done. Today, Taco Tuesday, I'm looking for my stuff. Okay, so, oh, look at this. Tomatoes, okra, and corn. That is so good. But I found the Rotel right there. And then they got seasoned lima beans. I love lima beans. I like my own. Now, every time they have Goya, it's in here. I don't have a coupon for it. You see that, guys? They just do us so wrong. They starting to calculate the coupons, actually. Okay, guys, so we out from Dollar Tree. Our haul went fine. You guys know I had to split this up with multiple people. Thank God they were there. So they did our own thing. I'm going to show you the new coupon. These coupons are not new, but this product is new. And remember, it is 4.1 ounce, which that make it perfect for that coupon. And then I use this coupon right here. So this came up to, I think it came with the $3.50. $3.50. So I want to make sure this Advil coupon worked, but I don't know what else was it. Something else was like a quarter or something. I don't know what it was. But all the rest of these coupons we know work. We know these work. We know the cheese works. We definitely know the Halls work. And we found out last week that the pretzels work, okay? Those are all my lovely. Look at those. Are so cute. I'm going to put these on my tree. Every one of them. I'm going to have an Easter egg tree. And they do open, see? So I'm going to put those on my tree. And I got this right here. That is darling. I think that is so cute. And then I am definitely going to say the Aquarel antibacterial wet wipes. I'm going to try those. I think I'll stuff these in my purse and carry them with me. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. And go out and do your couponing. I showed you all the coupons. Oh, the caress did not work, guys. Alert. It did not work. Don't use it. Okay, guys. Bye.